All right, in this lesson, we're going to discuss a term economists call elasticity. Basically, elasticity measures the responsiveness of quantity demanded to changes in prices. Sometimes you can have very small changes in prices and have wide swings in output chosen by consumers. And for other industries, you could have big changes in prices and output wouldn't change very much. Think of gasoline. Gasoline prices go up a couple bucks, people complain a lot, but they still keep buying gasoline because I got to get to work. There's not, most people commute with their cars. We want to talk about elasticity and get us an idea to think about how markets respond to prices. Today we're on the quad here on a late October day of the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign, and in the last decade the tuition at this university has gone up by over 70%. But during that same 10-year period, applications and enrollment has gone up over that time period. So that's an indication that sometimes large swings in price doesn't really deter people from trying to get in. In this lesson, you're going to learn a lot about computing elasticity and how elasticity allows us to think about the impacts of changes on market conditions.